2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee, one of the most stolen vehicles, is the new body style Jeep. We have protected this vehicle with our IGLA Anti-Theft pin code system. Let me show you how it works. Somebody got access to your car, have the key or copy the key, vehicle has started. Now I'm gonna try to drive. I'm gonna put the car in gear and let's see what happens. As soon as I put the car in gear, vehicle shut down. Now I'm gonna shut the vehicle down. The vehicle rests for a second or two. And now I'm gonna turn the ignition back on. This time, before I'm gonna start driving, I'm gonna enter my code. The code is a combination of buttons, can be used from the vehicle controls, nothing visible, nothing aftermarket. Once I enter my code, then I'm gonna get a confirmation. As you heard, I got a confirmation, put the car in gear. Now I can drive the vehicle without any interference, without any issue. If you want to protect your car, the IGLA Anti-Theft System is the best available for almost every vehicle. Find us at Car System Installation, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.